Hi, today we're going to be talking about luxury vinyl plank flooring. This product is going to be installed here in a house in Fairfax, Virginia. And luxury vinyl plank is the fastest growing segment of flooring. If you look at the overall flooring industry, it grew at 4% last year, but luxury vinyl was up 25%. And the reasons are numerous. Luxury vinyl gives you a beautiful wood look, but it doesn't have the maintenance or the concerns that you get with real hardwood. Hardwood, as you know, is very susceptible to moisture, to temperature, but the luxury vinyl is a very durable product that looks great. So for kids, pets, you can't beat it. Happy Feet International is a manufacturer of luxury vinyl. This is their quick fit product. It's a very, very durable, high-end product that's suitable for both commercial and residential use. So this has a 20-year commercial grade warranty and a lifetime residential warranty. So when you compare luxury vinyl products, what you look for are really four things: the overall thickness of the product, of course the look, the surface wear layer, which is what takes the brunt of the traffic and which is going to allow you to have a very durable surface, and the backing. And those four things will really help you to compare one product over the next. So this is the quick fit product. It's a 5.5 millimeter thick product, and it's got a 22 mil surface wear layer. So that is a very durable surface. When you compare it to items that you see typically in the box stores, often their wear layers are 4 or 6 mil, maybe an 8 mil. They really can't take the traffic that a heavy duty quality product like this can. So you can't go wrong with any of the Happy Feet products. All of the products are 100% waterproof. They're anti-scratch, they're anti-slip, they're anti-microbial, and they'll give you a very long life if maintained properly. And it's very hard to damage these. You'd have to try to damage them. They're very durable products. So thanks for your time and enjoy the installation.